Hey guys, welcome to the Cricket Panda IPL previews. Today we have another crucial match for both teams where Knight Riders will be taking on the Punjab Kings. KKR has dominated the overall head-to-head numbers while beating Punjab in 5 of the last 6 games, and they also have had their fair share of luck with the toss. Playing 11 of KKR should look like the last game as Russell isn't fit, while Allen is expected to take Gale's place in the Punjab's 11. Dubai's pitch this season has been as challenging as Sharjah for batsmen facing pace bowling, and last 3 out of 4 games have been won by the chasing team. Phase-wise, Punjab has the worst batting run rate in power plays, courtesy Rahul, while they have a very decent bowling run rate in the same phase thanks to Shami. KKR has been dominant in the middle overs while nothing separates these two teams at death. There is no reason why you shouldn't have KL Rahul as the captain pick today. Except for a cautious approach in the power plays, Rahul has been phenomenal in all aspects, including his matchup with Narayan. Gill has a great record against Punjab but has many chinks in his armour otherwise. He has had 8 dismissals to leg spins since 2020 and hasn't got going in the middle overs this season. He's a risky pick today, but I would like to have him in the team for that due big score. Mayank has been a success of late, and in the context of this match his only struggle could come against leg break bowling and Narayan. A risky captain material but sure starter. Dinesh Karthik has only dominated medium fast bowlers but has exceptionally bad record against express pacers and leg spinners. Easy to eliminate. Huda is another easy elimination for today as his record at Dubai and against KKR is not desirable. He has been great against leg spin though and could negate Varun. Rana has delivered this season with great striking in the middle overs but has trouble facing fast bowlers. Pooran has been comfortable at Dubai but his record against off-break and express bowlers have been a concern. Risky to include him in the Fantasy 11. Venkatesh is having a purple patch with the bat across phases and has contributed with the ball as well. Easily our vice-captain for today. Tripathi, Ferguson and Morgan also give solid reasons why they should be in the Fantasy 11. Form-wise, Mayank and Rahul have been among runs in the last 5 innings, while Huda, Pooran, Morgan and Rana need to better their numbers. Head-to-head records have never been dominated by one team like this one. Gambhir has been the top batsman with most runs, highest average and most top scores, while Russell has the best strike rate. Sunil Narine is the top wicket taker with 30 wickets. For Fantasy 11, you can build your core with Rahul, Mayank, Tripathi, Gill, Iyer, Narayan and Ferguson for one-on-one contests. For big pools, you can go with Arshdeep and Rana in the mix. Trust in Pooran at your own risk.